Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the CZKBG YL03 to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product. The car battery jump starter has unmatched 6,000 ampere and force start function as a dual safeguard and can instantly start your stranded vehicles, up to all gas or 10-liter diesel, including completely drained or low-voltage batteries, even at -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Durable, extended jumper cables to reach varied battery terminals. Standby for about 24 months and support 1,500+ recharge cycles. Start the car confidently every time, which is far easier than getting help from another car or roadside service. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the CZKBG YL03. Battery clamps. USB-A to USB Type-C cable. Carrying bag. User manual. Product description. LCD screen. Lighting button. Air pressure plus. Switch. Air pressure minus. Unit adjustment. USB output. Type-C input port. LED lights. Inflation hose jack. EC5 interface. How to use. Fully insert the smart battery clamps into the jump starter's 12-volt port. Connect the red clamp to the battery's positive terminal and the black clamp to the battery's negative terminal. Start your engine and remove the clamps from the battery. How to recharge. To charge the jump starter, connect the included charging cables USB Type-C to the device's charging port and the cables USB Type-A to the power source. The power source can be any USB source, like 5-volt wall chargers, car chargers, etc. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.